Good morning, class 5. Welcome to our mathematics lesson. Now, in our previous lesson, we discussed about addition involving capacity in liters and milliliters. Today, I want us to discuss about subtraction involving capacity in liters and milliliters. Remember, we said capacity is the amount of liquid that can be held in a particular container. Now, let us look at our first example here. Here I'm having 6 3/4 liters, subtract 4 liters. So here we have a whole number and a fraction number. So what shall we do? We shall carry out subtraction of whole numbers and fractions. So we shall say now it is 6 liters, subtract 4 liters, add 3/4 liters. We are adding 3/4 liters here because we don't have a fraction on 4 liters. So we shall now say 6 liters subtract 4 liters is equal to, what is 6 liters subtract 4 liters? Good. We shall get 2. So we shall have 2 liters add 3/4 liters. This one now will give us 2 3/4 liters. That is how we work out our first question. Number 2, we have 7 liters, 7.5 liters, subtract 3.5 liters. Now, this is a question that is involving fractions only. So we shall say 7 liters subtract 3 liters into brackets, add 1/2 liter, subtract 1/2 liter. So we have 7 subtract 3. What is 7 subtract 3? Good. We get 4. So we have 4 liters, add. What is 1/2 subtract 1/2? What is 1/2 subtract 1/2? Good. 1/2 subtract 1/2 is equal to 0. So we shall add 0 liters here. So what is 4 liters? Add 0 liters. It gives us 4 liters. It gives us 4 liters. Now I want to look at the next question that involves all numbers only. A question that involves all numbers only. We have 78 liters, 874 milliliters, subtract 14 liters, 386 milliliters. So when we want to carry out subtraction in this question, we start from our right going to our left. So we shall say 4 subtract 6 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from 7 so that we remain with 6. Then we make this 14. 14 subtract 6 gives us 8. Then we have 6 subtract 8. It is not possible. So what do? We borrow 1 from 8 so that we remain with 7 and make this one 16. What is 16 subtract 8? It gives us 8. Remember, we remain with 7 here. So it is 7 subtract 3, which gives us 4. So on the milliliter side, we shall get 488 milliliters. Then we come to liters. 8 liters subtract 4 liters, it gives us 4. 7 liters subtract 1 liter, it gives us 6. So when you carry out subtraction, you will find that you are getting 64 liters, 488 milliliters. So that's how we carry out subtraction involving capacity in liters and milliliters. Thank you, and let us meet in our next lesson.